In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to make your forms smarter by directing users through different paths based on their answers. Whether you're creating a survey, a feedback form, or a quiz, conditional logic helps tailor questions to each respondent's experience and needs, making data collection more precise and relevant. Let's dive into the process. First, start by opening your Google form. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily start from scratch by heading over to Google Forms and choosing the blank form option. Once you have your form open, the next step is to add a question that supports conditional logic. These are typically either multiple choice or drop-down questions, as they allow respondents to choose one option from a set. Now, once you've added such a question, you'll notice there are three dots, often called the More menu, at the bottom right corner of the question box. Click on these dots to reveal more options. Among the options available, you'll want to select Go to Section based on answer. This is the key feature that facilitates conditional paths in your form. With that selected, it's time to create different sections in your form. Each section will represent a unique path or set of questions based on the respondent's answers. Think of sections as chapters or branches of your form that respondents will be directed to according to their chosen option. For instance, if someone answers a question with yes, they might proceed to a section with follow-up questions specifically about their affirmative response. Similarly, a no could lead respondents to an entirely different set of inquiries. Once your sections are established, you'll need to assign each answer from your multiple choice or drop-down question to its corresponding section. You do this by navigating back to your question and selecting which section each answer should lead to. Google Forms will give you a drop-down next to each answer that allows you to choose the appropriate section where respondents should be directed, making it an effortless task to map your form's flow as per the logic you want. By following these steps, you'll be able to implement conditional logic into your Google form with ease. This feature not only enhances the user experience, but also streamlines data collection, ensuring that you receive more targeted and meaningful responses. We hope this helps you create more dynamic and interactive forms. That's it for today's tutorial on adding conditional logic to your Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this feature as useful as we do. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy form building!